Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. I am going to be doing another Everyday Explorers mini book Makers Club project for my PEP Talks book that I am making, all about my fitness journey. For this page, I wanted to document some cycling adventures from the summer. I had no idea what I was doing with this design. I just decided that I was going to make a cluster on the bottom left of my photo and then something above my photo on the right hand side. But it turned out to be a very different design than I've ever done before. I think it worked, but I was definitely all over the place with this design. So I pull out that sticker, Big Win, and so I'm going to add in some orange. I knew I was going to use some green and black and decided to add in some orange and just pick a bunch of different stamps to layer in. So I have that stamp set that says a good day for a ride, and then the lightning bolt sticker from the kit, and then keep going. And then I have a few other ones from the Me Time stamp set, and I am just layering those, and I wind up with almost like a staircase design. I don't know. Like I said, this turned out a little bit weirder than I thought, but I was able to kind of salvage it or make it look decent because I found a large stamp phrase that I was able to use right in the middle. And I did decide to add another little cluster up at the very top with a smiley face sticker and a You Rock. So the big, large phrase that I found was doing my best, and I thought that that really helped balance out that whole block of stamps on the right, and that way it didn't look like just a staircase. It looked better. Also going to add in some little slashes in different colors, and then I will move on to the next spread. So even though it was a little haphazard getting to the end of this spread, I still like the overall design and trying something really different than like a normal design. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next one, which is going to be a full 4x6 photo in a pose that I was doing. I don't even remember what pose it was. And then another one of me kind of looking down. I think I was sweaty and proud of myself. And then I realized I skipped a page. So I'm going to go ahead and go back, and I'm going to do this page first. This page is just going to have some black and white photos and then one yoga pose that I did. And here again on this spread, I tried a very different color scheme with the red and the gray, and I decided to make my own pattern paper just like I did last week with the pink and orange stamped paper that I made. So for this one, I did today's self-care, heck yes, today's pick-me-up, and I just kept going and stamping all over the place. And then I'm actually going to punch out some stars using this pattern paper that I made. And then I will add in some black stamped phrases, and that will finish up the spread. So I am stamping right here today's big win, and yay, I'm so proud of myself because goodness knows I didn't know I could do that yoga pose. I mean, it's certainly no professional, but I was still proud of myself that I could twist myself into this position. I don't even know what it's called, bird pose, standing bird, I don't know. But I still like doing yoga. It definitely helps stretch me out and help with my joint issues. All right, so I put the stars on the different pictures, and then I put like half of a star underneath the horizontal photo, and then another sticker on the bottom of the two vertical photos. And then I decided to add in another stamp that says great work, but it wound up being really juicy, so I'm just going to stamp it on paper. But the star one that says gold star on the left side of the page, that turned out all right. Now I'm just going to add in some journaling lines for all the different sections that I wanted to talk about. And overall, I really like this one. Again, it was very different from anything I feel like I've done recently. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm just going to stick with the blue, kind of like the cobalt blue, and I'm going to do It's All Okay. because not that I was necessarily sad or feeling down or anything, but I was just proud of myself that I had really tried really hard to exercise, and that continues to be the case. I'm very proud of myself. Exercising with kids is no joke. It's not easy with them being home. So I put the "It's all okay," and I put a sticker underneath it to kind of give it a foundation. Same thing on the left side. I have "Big Win." I stamped that. And then I'm going to stamp "Heck Yes." But then I realized that I don't like that it's blue, and it wasn't sitting right at the bottom where "It's all okay," and it wasn't going to look good up at the top. So I just decided to try stamping the different shape stamps that I have from the awards set. So I stamped "You Can Do This" and "Rooting for You," and that worked much better. And then I'm going to stamp the little burst, little sprinkles, and then that will wrap up this page. I don't think I'll add any journaling. So there you go, 3 spreads all done and completed, and I just love how they came together, and I love this little mini book makers club. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.